What is parchment paper for? For some of you, this is going to seem like, is she really going to answer such a simple question? And the answer is yes, I absolutely am, because before I was a cooking teacher and before I was a cookbook author, I was a beginner cook teaching myself to cook from cookbooks. And when I saw recipes that had parchment paper, I just skipped the entire recipe because I had no idea what it is. So I want you to advance your cooking level way faster than I did. So let's just talk about it. Parchment paper is essentially a paper made for cooking that goes at the bottom of a baking sheet. And what it does is it ensures that there is a more even distribution of the heat. So if you're making cookies and you know how they always get black on the bottom, use parchment paper, they won't get black on the bottom anymore. The other fantastic thing about parchment paper is that it makes it really easy for cleanup. So I always use parchment paper before I am roasting vegetables so that after there's all the olive oil and salt, it's in the oven, I just lift it up, pour it out, and it's super easy to clean this pan because I love to cook, but I do not love to clean. There you go. That's parchment paper.